In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table view in Trello. We're going to walk through how to open a board, switch to the table view, and then use that view to quickly edit cards, add labels, assign members, set due dates, and keep everything organized. If you haven't used table view before, think of it like a spreadsheet for your board. All your cards line up in rows, and key details are shown in columns so you can scan and edit information in one place. Start by heading to the Trello homepage in your browser. Once you're there, look for the Boards option in the top navigation. Click that to open your boards, then choose any existing board you want to work with. This can be a team board or a personal board, whatever you already have set up. When the board opens, look for the Views menu near the top of the screen. Open that menu and select Table. If you don't see the table option, it may be because of your plan or workspace permissions, so check with your admin or confirm that your workspace supports advanced views. When table view loads, you'll see all the cards from your board laid out in rows. Each row represents one card, and the columns usually include the list the card belongs to, labels, members, and dates. This layout makes it much easier to compare cards and make bulk updates without opening each card individually. Let's start by editing a card right from this view. Click any card title to select it. You can rename the card directly in place. Simply edit the text to something more accurate or clear. When you're done updating the name, click Save to confirm the change. This is a fast way to keep titles consistent so you and your team know exactly what each card represents. Next, let's add a new card between two existing ones. Hover your mouse between two rows and click the plus button that appears. A new row opens up so you can type the card title right away. After you give it a clear name, take a look at the other columns in the same row. You can adjust the list column to decide where the new card should live on your board. This helps you place it in the right stage without switching back to the main board view. Now add a label to make the card easier to filter later. In the Labels column, click the plus icon to open the label picker. Choose a color that matches your team's conventions, maybe green for ready, yellow for in progress, or whatever your workflow uses. A consistent color system makes table view especially powerful when you're scanning many cards at once. Assigning ownership is just as simple. In the Members column, click to open the member picker, then select the teammate who should handle the card. If multiple people are collaborating, you can add more than one. When you've assigned the right person or people, close the picker using the X so the table is tidy again. Let's set a due date. Click in the Date column for that row to open the calendar. Pick the appropriate deadline on the calendar that appears and confirm your choice. Then click Save so the date is applied to the card. With labels, members, and a due date in place, the card is fully ready to go. You can also drag rows to quickly rearrange your cards in the table. This is handy for prioritizing work or grouping related items while you review. And when a task reaches the finish line, use the Mark Complete option right from the table to indicate it's done. That way, due dates show as complete and everyone stays aligned. That's the core workflow. Open your board, switch to table view, edit titles, insert new cards, label them, assign teammates, set dates, save your changes, reorder as needed, and mark items complete. With these steps, you'll keep details accurate and your team moving smoothly, all without leaving the table view.